a lot of video on there. I'll have to just YouTube it and put it on YouTube. To you.
Hold on, let me zoom in. All right, you're good.
Yeah, you just went through 50 rounds? Holy crap.
Oh, are you out?
Yeah.
Ow! Breast is burning
Want to bring
me.
you back?
Huh?
Want to just see what you're doing?
Yeah. Ow! That breast burned me like 10 times. My elbow's on fire.
That's good. That's good.
Yours is better though.
Huh?
Yours is better though.
But, yeah, okay, thank you. But that's good. No, seriously, that's good, dude. Look, I mean, look, you're still hitting vital areas.
Yeah. Yeah. You ain't gonna have no kidneys. I'm gonna try to aim. I'm gonna aim because I'm like aiming. I'm aiming right here. So I'm gonna try aiming maybe here.
Try some headshots.
Try to get the headshots.
Try.
Okay.
Just do a couple and like do 2 or 3 and then bring it back.
All right.
Dude, look.
Oh,
You didn't hit it, but
we're getting so close.
but look.
Yeah.
So for you,
Mm-hmm.
your shots are going off to the right.
Now they are, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I see it.
Good job. No, go ahead. Enjoy, bro.
All right, I'm gonna shoot.
You want
I'm
to bring
gonna
them
shoot.
in, though?
Huh?
Want to bring them in?
What'd you say?
Want to bring it in?
I just want to shoot like 20 session.
Oh, yeah? Go ahead.
Yeah.
Hey, do you. Have fun. I'm going to get off the target. I'm just going to do you shooting.
All right.
PS90, baby. 5.7. That's it.
Yeah. We out.
That was $40 down the drain real quick.
No.
Oh.
Oh. He did real quick too.
Hey, at least it wasn't a waste.
Maybe I'm just thinking too much.
Maybe.
I'm gonna load the rest of these for you so you can do the same thing.
Okay. I actually got to pee. I'll be back.
All right.
You like that 380, huh?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
I'm missing some.
I see. I see. Let me hold that 380.
I'll get you.
I'm gonna do mine at like 20, at like 10.
Yeah, that's where I did it.
Oh, 10?
Yeah.
Good. See
how-
how.
You want to do the
it's
PS90 while I load 380?
Huh?
You want to do the PS90 while I load the 380?
Just finish off that.
What's that?
Finish off that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it at a closer range though.
Okay.
Just, you know. I'll do that. I'm gonna do it at 10.
You didn't want to change the target? Still got one more.
2 more.
Oh, we do?
Huh?
Yeah, I'm good.
Well, let's just. Dude, we're hitting the target. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, agent. Oh, dude. I'm like, I'm just used to us shooting. Hey, it's coming out better too, because this was a problem. Because it's putting up against it, it wasn't coming out as easy.
Yeah.
So I'm liking that.
So maybe it just needs to be broken in?
Yeah.
We didn't mark this up.
But look,
Oh.
look, okay?
Yeah.
Wait. Safe it. Ah! Okay. 2. Right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, my breathing is off.
You
So
said
we
what?
just- Huh?
What did you say?
My breathing is off.
Hey.
So I don't know where I'm hitting.
Change the target.
Got it? Mm-hmm. felt my heartbeat.
You are low. You're dead center. You're center, but you're low.
Okay. Try this.
Still low. You're still. It's like they're all roughly in the same general area. They're straight up and down, ironically.
I mean, I'm hitting right over the star.
Where are you aiming?
Right in the middle of the center.
Okay.
Right on the X.
Question. Hold on. Pause for a second.
Okay.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure it was on all the way. All right.
This is the green dot is right over the X. Okay.
All right. I think you hit two of the same holes twice.
I'm just like, ooh, ooh.
So you hit two of the same holes twice.
So I think it needs to go up then. I'm right over this thing, man.
Okay.
And how far up do you think it needs to go, Agent?
We'll try two.
Well, remember, we were doing two before. Remember?
Yeah.
Is
Three?
that up?
Yeah, this is up. I'm gonna go that way. That's up. Okay. Ten?
Yep.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What?
The grouping. So the grouping is super tight. It's like really, really, really good. This is we're hitting the same spot still.
Well, it needs to go up then.
Yeah, I made it go up.
I'm not. I wasn't saying it to you, but I'm just
Yeah.
like it's frustrating because it's like you're picking it up. You're safe it.
I went up 3 more.
Okay.
Same spot.
Okay, I'm gonna shoot at the 8.
Okay. There, bullseye. Bullseye again.
So I'm shooting up at the 8. I'm shooting at the 8.
You'll see it for yourself. You're a menace down here.
Yeah. So it was a 9. But I'm shooting. That's where I'm shooting at right there.
You're hitting these perfect.
So it needs to come down.
Oh, it needs to go up.
Oh, it still needs to go up.
Yeah. Because you aimed high.
I ain't high.
So if you aimed high and it was going low, we need to go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go 6, just to experiment.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Okay, now I'm aiming. I'm gonna aim at the 8.
Not the 9?
Not the 9.
Okay.
8. That's it. It should hit the 9, right?
Theoretically. There's a notification that somebody's by the garage. Where'd you aim?
8.
You're right on top of the 9.
So it's still low? Yep, I was aiming here.
Okay. 4 more. Oh, we're almost out.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
They'll at least die. Even if they're low, they'll at least die. Okay, that's 4.
Okay. Fire. And I'm gonna aim at the X now.
Okay.
I can't get my breathing right, man.
Yeah. Take your time.
That's it.
Alright. So, this time when you were shooting, you were still hitting in this general area, but it was a little bit higher. Just a little bit. But it's straight up and down. And they'll die.
I'll just get that on video.
You gotta zoom out. Yeah, zoom out.
Or I can just go up and down, up and down. Up and down.
Yeah.
All right. So we're all out of 5.7.
Yeah, we're out of 5.7.
Okay.
That was the most fun one to shoot too.
Okay. So safe it.
Yep. Do you want to shoot this 380 right here? Because we're not going to realistically get through all the 380. And if anybody can have my 380 ammo, it would be you, Paul.
Okay. All right. So we're good. I like it.
I like it too.
Is it off yet? Is it? Okay.
Dad, your booty.
Sorry. I should have brought another magazine because I don't like leaving the gun range with an empty bag, but we got other things. Sorry about my booty. Alright. Whew.
You want me to sweep that up for you?
Nah, it's okay. Nah.
5.
Let's go. Yeah. What the hell? Whoops.
Oh, oh, that dude's dead. All right, well, that one's good.
All right, man, I'm done. Have fun.
I'm good too. I'll do one more. I'll do one more.
Okay. I love it for you. That's pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Oh, he did. He did.
This now with those bursts, I would have been all out here or over here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I think I'll do one more with the 9.
Okay. Oh, do you like the 9?
I like it, but I carry it, you know.
Yeah.
So I carry these, so I want to be proficient. So I think I'm fine.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
You want to use the other target or what?
I'm good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going for fun more than accuracy.
Okay. Look at my son, Adrian, with 380.
Yep.
Performance Center, Smith & Wesson M&P.
Ooh, I messed that one up. Oh, no. I messed that last one up really bad.
Ooh. But hey, best up, but you got a headshot. Yeah, we're messing this target up. Let's see. Okay. Get these out of the way. Two more back here. One right here, and one right by your left foot. Ah.
F5?
Hmm? Mm-hmm. Are you done with the 380? Are you done with the 380?
Yeah.
Okay. This is just. Why it's doing that, but. My finger's my safety. I mean, we might as well go ahead and use this last one. Yeah, that's good shooting though still.
Yeah.
You shot the 5.7, right?
Yeah, I shot the 5.7. shot 11 rounds out of it. It's down on the floor.
Oh.
Have fun, guys.
That's 10? Yeah. Not bad. I did 4 shots?
You did more than 4 shots.
I thought so. I missed. But you know what? 2 of them, I think, yeah, I did maybe 6, huh? Because I know 2 of them were probably, I didn't have the dot on the target. I'm going to do a slow one and see if I can just kind of. I wasn't expecting it to recoil the way it did either.
Yeah. 380 is a bit smaller. Let me try it one more time.
Ooh. Ooh. We shoot similar though, huh?
Yeah, it kicks more.
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Might as well empty it out.
Oh. We do it at 5 then.
You're out. Yeah.
That's way more recoil.
Yeah. Yeah. That's good though.
Mm-hmm. What do you want to do? Shoot it again?
No, I'm good.
Okay. All right. Let me load this up then, Adrian.
Where's your? I see your 380. That's the rest of the 3. I don't know. I don't want to go over and bug him. Yeah. I don't want to be the. I don't want to be that weird dad that we were just talking about.
I know. Like if you do this, and you'll get a better grouping.
Well, I'm here to practice that. Thanks.
Oh, I'm trying to put more in there.
Oh.
All right, Asian. This is you right here.
Oh, that's me?
Well, that's the one you're carrying. Unless you want to shoot more.
Oh. Wait, what?
No, this is the one you carried in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
oh, that's
so,
the 9mm. Okay.
Yeah, so I wasn't gonna do anything with it.
Okay.
Let you do it when you're ready, because you need to holster it. You can't take it back over there.
Yeah, you're right.
That's why.
Yeah.
You might as well put your jacket on because. You have a magazine there. Good?
Yep.